Did you know that in 2026, credit bureau mistakes are affecting 1 in 5 Americans? That's right. 20% of credit reports contain errors that could be dragging down your score. And here's the scary part. Most people don't even know these mistakes exist until they apply for a loan or mortgage and get denied. I'm going to show you exactly how to find these errors, fight back against the bureaus and get them removed, potentially boosting your score by 50 points or more. Let's start with a shocking statistic. According to recent studies, credit bureau errors have increased by 30% since 2020. That means millions of people are dealing with incorrect information on their reports right now. Why is this happening? A perfect storm of data overload, automated systems, and simple human error at the bureaus. So what kind of mistakes are we talking about? The most common ones include accounts that don't belong to you, maybe from someone with a similar name. Incorrect payment history showing late payments when you paid on time. Outdated information that should have fallen off after 7 years. Or balance errors that make it look like you're using more credit than you actually are. Here's your first step. Get your free credit reports from all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You're entitled to one free report from each every 12 months at annualcreditreport.com. Don't just glance at them, print them out or save them digitally, and go through every single line with a highlighter. As you review, look for red flags. Is your personal information correct? Name, address, social security number? Do all the accounts listed actually belong to you? Check the payment status on each account. Are any showing late or delinquent when you know you paid on time? And verify the balances and credit limits match your records. Now, when you find an error, document everything. Take screenshots of your bank statements showing on-time payments. Save letters or emails from creditors. Gather any correspondence that proves the information is wrong. This evidence is crucial. It turns your dispute from a complaint into a legal request they have to investigate. Next, file your dispute. You can do this online through each bureau's website, but I recommend sending a certified letter with return receipt. Why? It creates a paper trail and proves they received it. In your letter, clearly state the error, include copies of your evidence, never send originals, and reference the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which gives you the right to accurate information. Here's a pro tip. Use specific language. Instead of saying, "This is wrong," say, "This information is inaccurate and violates my rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Please investigate and correct or delete it within 30 days as required by law." This shows you know your rights and they can't brush you off. What happens after you file? By law, the Bureau has 30 days to investigate. They'll contact the creditor who reported the information. If the creditor can't verify it, the Bureau must remove it from your report. But here's the catch. If the creditor says it's correct, even if it's not, the Bureau might side with them. That's why your evidence is so important. If the Bureau denies your dispute, don't give up. You have options. First, add a 100-word statement to your credit report explaining your side. It won't change your score, but lenders will see it. Second, escalate to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They can pressure the Bureau to reinvestigate. Third, consider consulting a consumer rights attorney if it's a serious error affecting major loans. To prevent future mistakes, monitor your credit regularly. Use free services like Credit Karma or paid ones like Identity Guard for more protection. Set up alerts for new accounts or changes. And keep all your financial records organized. It makes disputing much easier if something pops up. Let me leave you with this. In 2026, with data breaches and automated systems, credit bureau errors aren't going away. But you have power. By staying vigilant and knowing how to fight back, you can protect your score and save thousands on interest over your lifetime. I've seen clients gain 50 to 100 points just by cleaning up these mistakes. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever found an error on your credit report? What was it and how did you handle it? Drop your story in the comments below. Let's help each other fight back against these mistakes. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more credit tips every week.